Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of audio accessories with a closer look at the RVP plus USB plug corded noise-canceling headset with microphone. Let's start with what sets this headset apart. It's designed for those who demand exceptional audio quality. Whether it's for professional calls or immersive gaming sessions, the RVP Plus headset boasts optimized wideband audio technology and digital signal processing, ensuring every sound is crisp and clear. Comfort is key, especially for long hours of wear. That's why RVP Plus has gone the extra mile to ensure a comfortable fit for various ear shapes. With skin-friendly ear pads and an ultra-lightweight design, you'll forget you're even wearing it. Now, let's talk about flexibility. The 270-degree rotatable microphone allows you to adjust it to your preferred position, whether you're on a call or in a gaming session. Plus, with user-friendly inline controls, managing volume and calls is a breeze. One of the standout features of this headset is its wide compatibility. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or leading UC platforms like softphone, the RVP Plus headset has you covered. It's perfect for work-from-home setups, call centers, webinars, and even online courses. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied users. As you can see, the RVP Plus USB plug corded noise-canceling headset is a game-changer for anyone in need of reliable audio performance. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy listening.